Have you ever wondered how such complex joints are made? These are Japanese woodworking joints known as Sashimono joints. It creates a precision-fitting interlock joint which doesn't require nails or screws to tighten strongly. These joints are very strong and durable, as if it is bounded by a steel hoop. The precise cut of the notes makes this joint beautiful and seamless, but it is equally intricate and difficult to make. Today in this fascinating video, we'll see how some Sashimono joints are made. A dovetail joint is a versatile woodworking joint that can be used in various aspects of wood joinery, such as vertical and horizontal joints of wood, flat joints of plank, and corner joints of plank. It is also known for its tensile strength and beauty. The name dovetailed is derived from the reference to a dove's tail, because the dimension of notes looks similar to the dove's tail. It is crafted by cutting a series of pins and tails on the edge of both lumber, male and female. First, the layout of dovetails is marked on the edge of both wood. Then the nose is cut along the marked angles with a dovetail saw or dovetail cutter. Then finally the joint is simply assembled by sliding the male into the female. No actual support is required. The pins and tails have a trapezoidal shape which allows them to slide together and apart in one direction. Castle joint. Castle joint is one of the strongest and most durable joint for furniture making, which is also known as zero joint. It is a combination of half-lap cross joint and an intersecting bridle joint. This joint is typically used to interlock three pieces of wood together at a corner, such as connecting the frame and leg of a bed or table. To craft castle joint, require wood for legs and central beam with consistent thickness. Then mark the vertical line on the middle of three sections of the leg edge from the front and left or right side. Then cut the notes using a table bench saw to give a precise cut. After cutting the leg notes looks like this. Then mark and cut the half-lap cross joint on the piece of central beam edge, like this. Once the cutting process is done, the snug fit castle joint is ready to assemble. Slide the central beam carefully into the castle, ensuring proper alignment. Then the strongest castle joint is ready. Biscuit joint. A biscuit joint is a woodworking technique used to join two pieces of wood together. In this technique, crescent-shaped slots are carved inside the edge of both side wood using a tool with a small circular blade. Then the compressed wood chip, also known as biscuits, are inserted into the slots with glue. Then bring the two pieces of wood together, aligning them according to the reference marks, and clamp them until the glue dries. Such biscuit joints are commonly used in several aspects of wood joinery, such as joining sheets of plywood, plank, particle board, and medium density fiber board. It is also used to join a 90-degree angle of mitred corner. The kanwa joint is used to splice straightly two pieces of wood together end to end. It is a complex interlock joints that create a strong connection between the joints. Overlap cut and the two pieces of wood fit together seamlessly. To create this joint, the same joinery is cut on each half of the joint. Then the two halves are slid together to lock the joint. When the two pieces lock together, a gap will remain in the center, into which a wooden peg is inserted to make the joint tight. The ends of the joint have a short T-shaped tenon to prevent them from separating. This kind of joint is particularly used in carpentry for building houses, where long pieces of straight wood are needed. Kawai Tsugite. This is a most complex and beautiful wood joint known as Kawai Tsugite. It can be assembled in three different directions: straight lines, right angles, or at 45-degree angle. Make it quite versatile. Although this joint is difficult to make and not very strong, it is commonly used in furniture, cabinetry, and decorative pieces. However, it is difficult to explain how it is crafted. Visit the link description below and learn how it is crafted. These were some interlock Sashimono joints. If you are interested to know such more joints, tell me in the comment box part 2. I will come back as soon as possible. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for new update first. I will see you in the next video.